Obiniyem, Jim. If you go take loan for bank, take go do campaign, the results coming in. Right now, you know whether you are bleeding or you are chilling. If you go the constituency inside, go share rice, roofing sheet, motorcycle, the results have started coming in. You should know your fate by now. If you go, God, it is about to go down, bro. It is about to go down. Now, the results for the 2020 presidential and parliamentary elections have started coming in. Majority of them have come in, and Charlie and Crawford bleeding and Kasa. People are bleeding because what they were expecting, it didn't go their way. Until most of your sitting MPs, they see, I say, employment opening be anoma from gardener near there. They can, some of them can cook near there. Let them give them something to do because people are bleeding. People are bleeding. Now, this is the verdict. My name is Kwadwo Sheldon, aka Duku. Today I came with my Duku because yes, we have a serious issue at hand. And when I get serious, I put the Duku on so that my senses no go come out from my head inside. It all go there, this thing inside. Now, I have my guest here. I have Miss Della here, and I have Mr. Solomon here. Bro, they come. you have seen what is happening on social media, right? Mr.
Sheldon.
Since yesterday, me now yo.
Don't die.
I'm not
the
sleeping.
Indefatigable.
Oh, Crawford bleeding.
Wow. I need a driver. So if Benya boy CBM, if you get one for me.
Guys.
Yeah, okay, and you're bad.
Oh, maybe.
Mental health.
Guys, you can join the conversation on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. It's marked MX24GH. Don't mind it. No, it's MX24GH. Join the conversation with the hashtag the verdict 2020. Make we talk. We go give you the chance to call in so that you go fit tell us what today your mind top. But at the end of the day, what we try to tell you, we say, and Crawford bleed, and they are going to bleed more on this show. It's about to happen. Now, let's go straight to Ayawaso, West Wogon. They say they call him, the constituency name be, Yes, Brad John, Animal Lydia. You saw what happened yesterday on Twitter.
I mean, I was following the conversations, and I think just around 5:30 p.m., I saw a video of John, I think on Twitter, going to and fro.
Yes,
I think where he voted.
Why did you have to add that song?
Listen, you need to add. I mean, soundtracks to
the situation.
What's that song?
It's perfectly. I am you. Come on.
Did he come to you to me?
No, I'm just saying, see, Della, listen.
Yeah.
With Micha laptop, 4,000 laptops. Now, Crawford, I show any poor man to Ama.
One cherry.
One cherry, say. Hey, Brad Jones, me work for 4 pounds. I chop bar operate. Pine, not sweating, not something. They no vote give up.
But I think that yesterday, the results from Ayawaso West.
Yes.
Is one that has really not happened. It's unprecedented.
Yeah. I honestly think
since '96,
John has tried.
Yeah.
So don't tell me.
Listen, that has tried now for parliament too. You hear say some some MP go stand where you chop secretary say, oh, assistant parliamentary candidate or assistant MP come here. Nah.
But look at the margin, 39.
Yeah, but then so this is what happened. My Lydia got 39,851, and John Dumelo came in with 37,770. This is very close.
The margin is very
close.
This is very close.
In fact, in 2016 it was about 10,000.
Yeah,
look at that.
10,000 difference.
Yeah.
And
so that should tell you that the people actually, I mean, they were trying to consider.
But that's it. My point is, margin, you know, they hear worry.
Worry.
Now, some money,
Wait. We are waiting for the EC to declare the result.
EC to declare what? Quite anymore. We are moving forward. Now
But what message did he sell that was able to close the gap as much as it did?
Man for the people. For the people. You know,
I think
he was in a constituency. Like, Charlie, your man was in University of Ghana, the horse.
Yeah.
You see some of the horse inside hot. Your man go carry hanky face style, go there, or that form, no. Your man tell hairdresser, he did braid hair. So that people felt connected to the John Dumelo brand.
Yeah. Yes, he worked hard. I mean, the
campaign.
The
hard working, no.
But no,
see,
let's not. Yeah, I'm not talking about the results. Like, let's not take it from him.
Okay.
Like, he really worked hard for this. Yeah. He's worked, and it's evident. Like, it shows from the results.
Yeah, I think so. I saw a video he had put up on social media. He was helping some people with mushroom farming.
Yeah.
And I think that was excellent. You know,
and
I think that was excellent.
Himself, so
yeah, he's a farmer.
He was selling that too.
Yeah.
He was selling that too.
But yeah, they all talk. By the end of the day, the people decided, and my Lydia is the official winner for the. And you see the memes that came in the videos.
Yeah, so the videos, they're wicked.
See, guys, his mental health is very, very important.
So you should.
Me, I'm not trolling, no.
What are you doing?
I'm just enabling the environment for people to do. I don't troll.
Sheldon, you were tripping.
Oh,
you were tripping.
No, you're tripping.
Bro, I wasn't tripping. I was just somewhere. But then there is this constituency in Hohoi.
Yeah.
Let me Peter Mill.
Yeah.
He did the unthinkable in Hohoi.
Yeah.
Like Charlie, constituency where MPP no win before. Your mind just go there. You put the numbers, boom, you win.
Win them.
I saw it. I saw the results.
Yeah.
We for just go see the MPP for CM. They make you do workshop on how to get more votes in the because see, it'll be easy. Like some of the electoral areas and things, your man just they get the votes left. I don't know. What do you think was his message or what?
No, I didn't know about him until recently, like until the elections and all that. So I'm sure maybe he was doing something right, and maybe the one who was on at that time wasn't. You know, when you look closely this year, the parliamentary candidates who didn't really work are being fished out. You can't hide under your party. Like everybody is being fished out. They are being like there's a message people are saying.
Yes.
But you see, what interests me is how I think that the Ghanaian society is developing.
Yeah.
In terms
we are
of
growing when it comes
literacy.
to
we are growing.
Yeah.
Because now it's not just about the central message of government,
Exactly.
but the local development.
You can't
People are
hide
really
under your
interested.
party.
You can't just hide under the guise of your party and not work and just be there.
It's true.
We will hold you accountable.
Even the MP in my constituency, Madenta. Medina and all those things. They lost. They were like MPP and all those things. They lost. That is the thing.
Boniface, he lost.
See, the president might be working, or the president will they work. But if you know they work,
I think that happened last year.
If it's not trickling down.
That happened last year too.
And a lot of them, like sitting MPs, they've lost their seats. Like there are some of the electoral areas, and you see, say the candidates, then they pull the numbers. But the MPs they fall flat.
I think I saw a constituency where the polling station was like empty. I think I saw that. Did you see? It's a picture. It was a picture.
Nobody voted.
Nobody was there. And they were like, they about nobody. It was a picture. I don't know what exactly transpired, but it was a picture and nobody was there. It was just the
also let me so guys, join the conversation on Twitter. The hashtag is the verdict 2020. Join the conversation. You can watch us live on Facebook, MX24GH, Twitter, Instagram. Join the conversation. We go read your comments and move on. But then have you seen the numbers the Goom or Gam guy?
I am so impressed.
Yo,
I am impressed. The past CPP.
Yeah.
I don't know the campaign. He used mostly the television. He has a TV station.
TV station.
And do you know the clouds this man can like?
Really tried.
They organized election in Ghana. I was scared. See people almost want a shock and a shock. And we will give you shock.
I said,
boss. I said, by now, Kwame Nkrumah ding. So this is what my hairline suffered for. I wanted to quit. No. Kwame Nkrumah suffered for all this. The election, they were teaching people how to spell shock. Bro, that was the message. And look at the good man.
Electric shock.
No, some constituencies, the guy was getting 390 votes.
He was able to pull 70,000.
Bro,
70,000.
It has never happened.
Yes. This is just a man of God using television.
And I think prior to the elections, it was very popular. Because of the activities he does on his TV channel and all that, it was very popular.
He's already popular locally.
Exactly. So
all the church members voted, right? I
don't
think the church members are up to 70,000.
I don't think so.
You sure?
No.
Oh no, it's.
Okay, so Guys, keep your comments coming in MX24GH on all social media platforms. Yes, today, Ankasa, they may say the Electoral Commissioner, he has said, oh, he is going to announce the result, the final result at 5 p.m. Yeah. And if you know chop, if you know say you know go win there, you go sit someplace, then chop, because if they declare, I'm sure say your body go do you some way evidence. But you buy because Charlie, people invested. 4,000 laptops.
Why? No, okay, maybe that's the only one.
4,000 laptops.
Because I'm sure people invested more.
Yeah, people have done
a lot of things.
stuff.
So I'm sure maybe people even lined up people's children, like maybe a whole school, and they'll be like, I'll pay the school fees of all the form things.
But you know the problem with the members of parliament. You know it is not an MP's duty to go and build
local development. I agree.
You understand?
I agree.
So why do they go about promising them heaven in the constituencies?
Yes.
And if they don't have the funds to do it,
then it becomes a problem.
Yeah, you understand?
We like to be deceived.
Exactly.
So it's the fault is from the electorate and the
No,
MPs
we like to be deceived. That's what has been happening. That's what has been happening. They'll pick things from the president's manifesto and come and say it's in theirs. And then when it doesn't get to their turn during their term, that's when they start suffering.
Yeah, because I don't know why an MP would go about it.
And it's also because probably we need to educate ourselves on the role of the MP.
Yeah.
Nobody.
As a legislative person going there to make laws. Not to come and promise me but sometimes you can't help it. Okay. I traveled to a town in the northern region, I think northeast. Yeah. And I was surprised at the level of development.
Wow.
If I was in power, I could have just said things that, if I come, I'll do that, if I had the power to do it. So sometimes when they go and they meet such situations, they are forced to say things.
Right.
But it shouldn't be the case. Development is from the local government. MCs, DCs, their job. The MP is supposed to go there and make laws for us. And they're supposed to educate us on the laws they make. When was the last time you had a meeting with your MP?
Most of them don't even live there.
They don't live there. But they're supposed to be holding town hall meetings to educate us on the law. They don't do that.
Okay. So let's go straight to social media, Twitter. And when you go on Twitter, Nana Adudankwa Akufo-Addo is trending at #1. Let's see what people are saying about him. So yes, this is from Scones. I say yes, I go barber shop. The man there be NDC way they blast Nanado say free SHS no good. In things where in things where I join. So basically, your man say you go barber shop. Then since we let's see what people are saying.
Since where I join him because he can't risk his.
He can't what?
He was cutting his hair.
Okay, so this one is saying, this one is from Jai. Say Mahama is leading on Joy and GHTV. Nanadu is leading on Adum TV. But four side there, them say hasta la vista. You people are crazy. So yes, this one they are shading some people and sons. Let's see what they are saying here. So this one is from Sugar. He say the only advantage Nanadu have over Mahama is the free SHS. If not that, Anka Adusho boy, I read that. But do you think that arguments they hold water? Like, so Akufo-Addo's sole message is the free SHS?
Honestly, that's what I saw during the campaign. That's like the message they were selling. If you go, you see billboards and all that. Remember me, blah blah blah, for more, blah blah blah. Yeah. Okay. So I think that's the message he sold this year.
Okay. So this one is from Kwesi. Say if Nanadu wins, the Kumfi people them go suffer. Oh, okay. So you know what's happening in that business, right? Your man go build factory for them, give them say,
I tell you,
no juice. Now I'm from 12 boys. Boys go do them vote against your man. So right now the conversation on social media is the president should remove. But I mean it doesn't really make sense. But at the end of the day, there's still development projects in your constituency and all. But yes. So this one is from King Nell. Say if Nanadu winner, Messi go score hat-trick. Really? You people want to put football in everything. And this one is from Kutigan. I say someone said by now Nanado is writing on Jubilee House wall. I was here. So so this one is basically saying maybe Nanado now we try LBT by now he did write on the walls. I was here some. Adudi Nizi was here some. Okay, so let me see. This one is from Papa Nokare. Say Charlie Bawanero Nanado low-key really did nothing. Free SHS will come to hunt us in the next 10 years. Then we will start seeing its effect on a generation programmed to this agenda. The whole system needs to be well organized.
So true. You know?
Really?
Sometimes.
Okay. So this one is from how your name be Okwasia Binti. To you people, why?
Yesterday we saw another one.
Yeah,
Jimmy
Why? Look, and the number of press conferences NDC have done in less than 2 days is more than Anando's COVID-19 address to the nation. Election COVID-19. Wow, you people are doing the most. Okay, so General Mosquito is wait. Oh. I said Ketia has come out from the trend list. So now Kwadwo was trending. I want to see why. Me per agenda. Hey, where is Kwadwo?
Okay, I see Ketia is down there.
Is where? Why is Kwadwo trending?
Sure.
Okay, so let me see what is happening. So this one is from Caleb. Say, imagine Kwadwo announcing the presidential result. What do you people take us for? What do you people take us for? I just wanted to say, imagine Kwadwo announcing the winner of the presidential election. So yes, they are saying, I say Ketia is trending. Let's see what they are saying about him. So this one is, wow. This is a picture of...
I know Shada Clear.
Yeah.
I know
Shada Clear, but in Nubia mood activated. Okay, so they are shading Mr. Seydou Ketia. This one is from Darling Kofi. Say, Muhammad and Seydou Ketia, the Makidis, they are brochery. Please don't follow any politician to go and fight. Too. Your life is precious to your family and friends.
For real?
Yes, it's true. Yes. So, General Mosquito is doing some press conference, and that is what people are saying.
I think they are done.
Yes. So, Charlie, that be the thing. Yeah. But so far, what is your take on what has happened?
No, I mean, so far, I personally am really impressed with the EC. I'm really impressed. And I would even go on to suggest that if even government changes now or later on, she should stay there like Afrajan stayed.
Yeah.
Because I think she's done an incredible job.
Yeah.
In fact, yesterday, I mentioned here that I don't know if it's voter low turnout or they've just been efficient. I think they've just been efficient.
Yes.
Okay.
The less time spent at the polling station and all that is very commendable.
Okay.
So I think it's been peaceful, it's been efficient. We're just waiting for the result. And he says we will announce it at 5 p.m.
Yeah.
People are saying that it's too early. Now, early, the results not already.
Yes, we are on the Electoral Commission. So let's see what people are saying about.
But I like the excitement on Twitter.
Yeah. So this one is from Bento. He said Electoral Commission is declaring the election at 5 p.m. today, as you said. Yes, they said they are going to do that. Yes. Okay, so this Electoral Commission to declare Ghana's president at 5 p.m. today. That's from Fifi Adinkra. This is from Muftau Nabil. I say, hey, okay, I don't know what he's talking about, but let's see what people are saying. Okay, so it's basically articles on what is going to happen at 5 p.m. This one is from Jumo. He said, I said Ketia is talking from no fact, or all that he's saying is from his suggestion. The Electoral Commission will announce everything at 5 p.m. Exactly. So, yes, both parties, whatever people they talk for the social media there or, they hold, it'll be 5 p.m. This one is from Brad Kwame Jr. Say, Charlie, right there, the way that thing they go, be like for where the Electoral Commission, now this one at TV station, they're nothing better.
It's true. Some of them are late.
The results are not consistent.
Yeah.
So that is why you're supposed to wait till 5 p.m.
You just have to wait.
And yes, they are going to.
But we enjoy the anxiety, the
all
those things around it. So
let me. Okay, Mahama is trending. Let's see what they are saying about him. Before we move on to Facebook to read some comments over there. This one is from I Am Bodo. He said, imagine Anando addressing the nation after losing to Mahama. Fellow Ghanaians, and I quote, I came to your various homes for 4 years ago and today I'm here to pack my things. Thank you. Hey, you people will kill us. Mahama is winning already. Your allowance, Beba. End of. Or the same this one is from Kojoma saying NDC is capturing most of parliamentary seats. John Mahama is winning. Okay, we are all going to wait till 5 p.m. Do you think the Electoral Commission can get all results ready by 5 p.m.? Do you think they can?
from the look of things.
Yes,
well,
I mean,
it's possible at the pace at which they are working.
Yeah, they've proved that they can be efficient.
Oh, okay.
You know, and so
But
I'm very hopeful.
Maybe it would just be a little over 5 p.m. That's what I'm thinking.
The Ghana man time, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, join the conversation. MX24GH. Use the hashtag the verdict 2020. We they come back right now. Make you no go away. Stick to us. We they come back.
Shop online, get free swipes, and enjoy greater security with a card that turns banking on its head. That's Africanacity. That's ABSA.
Breakfast your day. Every day.
Every day.
Nestle. Good food, good life.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
They'll go with the 4-4-2 diamond formation for that early lead.
An early goal will settle the nerves.
Their away team has been in bad form. They will feel the pressure.
The home sides kept 2 clean sheets in a row.
It's all about momentum.
Who will have the stamina to last the 90 minutes?
Their star striker is suspended.
They've got no kappa.
The marking will be tight.
This will be won or lost in the midfield.
This is why I bet.
This is why I bet.
This is why I bet. Betway, for the love of the game.
Some of us were born into parties without even knowing why. Automatic.
We shouldn't lose sight of the fact that some people are actually being influenced.
Yep. I don't give small money chance.
And if I have the opportunity, I'll go in so that I also get the money because we are chopping money.
So they use the youth as a means to their ends. So you are not voting?
I know they vote.
That's the problem with the system. Are you voting? Of course I'm voting.
What's up, GH? Welcome to MX Beats, your official entertainment and lifestyle home. And every single week, we're bringing you your favorite artists. Say cheese, take a picture, shake a pose, take a seat, take a picture.
What's the name?
Indeed, we also bring you exclusives in music videos, interviews. Honestly, we have got you covered right here on MX Beats. Who is this?
Okay.
Oh, I love this.
I think I know what this is. This is an OG. This guy is not even a footballer. I look what
what did I say? They like vintage. What did I say? RJZ, baby.
On this show, we help unearth new talent, write the right mix of music to boost your energy.
Big man, big things, yeah. Tim shoes, big things, yeah. You figure say we they come joke me as I they come, my mind was plenty. My name is Jason Elaine.
My name is Miss Drew.
My name is DJ Vorosky, and I'm here to give you the best of music.
Alright guys, so welcome back, and yes, you're because now I say but right now we are back, and your favorite candidate is about to bleed again. Now Ningo Pram Sam George Jata. You know him, right?
Yeah.
Yes, he's very like those MPs. It was being speculated on social media that he has lost, like he they go. Say now your man, the guy be give your man, no be now. He didn't give up. So last year he won with 23,860. This year he won with 48,601.
Oh wow.
Yeah. as your man finish, you know, he beat the MPP. Hey, yeah, blow, yeah. He beat the parliamentary candidate finish, you know. We Charlie, okay, cancel for channel rough. Hey, and not be small. More video no.
I think I saw. But I didn't watch it.
Hey, he tell me mine. No, I say, I see if you know behind now.
You don't even want to say
Charlie. We are not she jama gusu.
Oh, she jama, aye.
Or she jama kasa gunyo so kasa. But look at the gap. Look at the number of votes.
Very wide.
From 23,000.
Almost 100% increase.
It's, I don't know. Maybe. Well, do you think he did something?
Okay, I'm coming. I have the video. Charlie, Monfa video ni share me ni share the AC.
Because in coming into this constituency, he said he's the hyena, and that the hyena was coming to chase out the lion. If he had DSTV and watched National Geographic, he would know that the hyena could never stand up to the lion. He promised me 20,000 votes. He himself did not make 20,000 votes. I have no other words for him but to tell him to cut his coat according to his size. Next time when you want to pick a fight, know who you are going to fight.
Bloody.
See, it don't be small. He tell him, I say cut your coat according to your who you made to. Also your truck who you made. Hey, how them go beat you for election inside? Then do you like this? Like, you know, some joy that be how you did. Technically, like that be how you did.
And look at all the confidence.
But see,
what did they kill us every day? National Geographic.
Oh, Charlie, you really tell your mind though. You tell your mind. But then, Charlie, as your man win there, look at the gap he gave the man.
It's too wide.
You go fit talk anything. But there is another video where when I saw the video yesterday, I was Charlie. Then you know it makes sense to me because the way that they harass the woman, I felt nah, Charlie. No, if you do that, if you don't like the person as a parliamentary candidate or MP, you have the right to vote against her. Yeah. But to harass her left, right, center, I'm talking about Eslousu. What happened yesterday? The video was trending on Twitter like
in her constituency.
Charlie, your woman, they go there, go do this thing small. Relax, make a call for them. Patch on for video ni shame ni share there. What happened there?
Slow.
So look at what happened. Like
this is
bad. This is bad. I don't know their problem. I mean, from the video and judging from what the people were saying in the background, they basically don't like the person. But if you don't like the,
but the vote still. Okay, they said it was just a little different, but she still won.
And I don't understand. Like why you go to do this? And some guy be take advantage.
No, but this is
press.
Oh, are you serious?
No, but like it's not nice. You don't have to do that. Is your MP.
Did you?
I don't know. Boys do everything they want to play with. No, you can't do that.
I'm tripping.
A whole member of parliament, then people are treating her like this. They don't want to. She had though. She goes stand there and said, "Hey, call for that. Call. Hey, madam."
She's very confident. She's a confident woman.
To be able to stand for and it's not a dance woman or dance woman is like a whole country on its own. No, to be able to stand for MP over there.
Anyway, so guys, let's read some comments on Facebook. This one is from Rocky Blaze. Say, if I were to be Dumelo, I will collect my laptops back. But if people have started using it for their project works and things, I want to take it back. And this one is from Gideon. You can say John Dumelo Sikanwa shit. Hey boy.
People mental health.
Yeah, this one is from Gideon. You can say Sofuchi Rabosum go increase consultation fee to 5,000 per. So that's what people are saying. And this is from Irajo. I say, hey Sheldon, no one press anything.
You see.
Oh, I
asked you whether you saw it.
Oh, I saw it. Oh, no. You see, I can't come and sit here and lie.
But from what I saw, I didn't see.
No. The time they push, I'm with some guy be. Wow, it don't be nice. I see you. You see, you need to have that kind of eyes.
Yes.
We understand.
You need to have.
I mean, it's Sheldon.
You understand? Social media, so yes, let me get some last comments here. Say this one from Darlent. He said, I really believe in NDC. Make someone go talk Nana say make it sleep. Wow. Now let's get back to Twitter. The Sarkodie issue is very, very important to me because I like agenda. Agenda, mass agenda. Now people move to your man. You go post hasta la vista filter. So promoting in your man and confess already the room. And not be small, they move to your man. Oh. Hey, but then I mean it is his platform.
Yeah, his platform. Yeah, I mean
anytime they want, he will post anything they want. Why do you think people like?
Oh, but I think that you see, there's a general national ambience happening right now.
Okay,
you know, and as an influencer, you should align yourself.
What's the Sarkodie influencer?
No, that's Sarkodie
influencer. Oh no! Can
you can just read. You see, during when the NSAS thing was going on, you can't just stand up and post anything sensitive. They will come for you.
Okay.
So it's just like this. We are having an election. Okay. Everybody's talking about the election. So even if you are not talking about election, you can talk about your own personal stuff. But trying to promote,
okay. Then
maybe he has his reasons.
But he's being selfish.
Okay, so this one too, Honorable Kennedy Japan. He won.
Yeah.
Skunk. But people are saying, you're one of the campaign.
Yes. I think he's working, that's why.
Sheldon, that's the thing. The guy has
physical project.
The guy has paid fees. And yet prime minister
university.
Yeah, tertiary.
I'm sure he's working.
Over 200-300 people.
Wow.
Yes.
Anything on your campaign.
Listen, if you are working, you don't need to talk much. You just show action.
Why do you make noise?
Because the conversation on social
you don't see him. No.
I know they be on an constituency. You know they go in constituency. They campaign for people.
And they hold the autopilot.
Wow.
He's on autopilot.
I'm sure he's doing well.
Yeah,
I'm really sure he's doing well.
He's doing well.
I don't know.
Hey, now where's what's
okay, guys. Let's see. The Sarkodie trend. No. Hey, Sarkodie, where are you on the trend? I'm also a free. But
But why is K2 South trending though?
K2 South.
K2 South. Okay, let me see what
it's down there.
Some natural drones.
I heard one of the ballot boxes were on fire.
Huh?
I saw a video of smoke coming out of one of the ballot boxes.
I should have bookmarked
it. No. Smoke was just coming out of it.
It was there.
Yes, and no one was there.
Miraculous something.
I don't know which constituency that was, but I am serious. I saw it.
What kind of drone? They gather 2 broomsticks and fly. No, but hey,
I saw it.
Hey. Anyway, so let's see. Okay, so K2 South has provided their results now. Bantama is here to come out. Okay, Mahama is teaching Nanado the law of Usain Bolt in K2 South. We love such a game. Charlie Mahama Gab. Okay, Mahama Gab Nanado for K2 South plus 70,000 plus votes. No be small social distance. Don't be small social distancing for that side. And this one from the law himself. Say K2 South and Bantama about to go Zell. Okay, so basically people are talking about, that is like their stronghold.
Yeah.
When Bantama comes in and K2 South, Charlie, Ulu say,
didn't you post Bantama? Or?
Relax,
I thought you posted. Okay, I thought.
I saw Tiamu Bass, my nigga. Anyway, so also let's come back to John Dumelo's issue. There are videos. You see, as I said, people should respect the man's mental health. But yes, I'm just going to show it to you people so that people don't do it again. Pachaman video, no, the video where your man ask the man now.
If you are crying and someone say, oh, Mesu, and oh, Su.
But you see, John DeMello went to the counting thing with red. I there red. Now, couldn't Kunumasha red. Yes, when you couldn't
No, I can explain.
You explain what?
He's an airway. We like red. That's how people tag us.
And not be me a talk. In the talk, she's airway and all count.
In as much as.
But I feel like Charlie. Oh. You see the constituency name it. Oh. And now John DeMello 70. Oh. But you see, nah, we should stop. Your man did well. He gave the woman a run for her money.
Yeah. Seriously.
Yeah. See,
it put the woman on her toes.
Yeah. Yes, like, because really the job is happening for them. Yeah. But then, do you people have the pictures where your man turned Aquaman and not in the musu? You see, so in your shot. If you see say the drizzle now, I am Aquaman. Boom! No fashion. No drew. Hey, your man job. You just saw Banner Wellington. No, Mama Lydia pressure. I don't know what's standing there. The woman wear kaba in Wellington. Oh, Charlie, it is you also. I never see that stress before.
I see that picture. No.
Hey.
That's an abuse.
No.
But you see, Sheldon, the guy that hugged John.
Yeah.
But I'll never talk to that guy if I was John.
Hey, like who does that?
Oh, who does that?
Who does that? I'm on the verge of like, let's say crying, and you come, it's like you don't.
Guys, I have another video of John DeMello. Make we just go. I mean, we are dedicating this episode to Brad John.
Don't do that.
Oh, me, he's my brother. Health. Creative arts. Yeah, you know, boom. And I more than video.
Facebook people will catch you.
Stop the count. Them they do Melo dirty. He ain't I like it fatty, but we go talk cause we will be betting your dirty agenda. Not set it, we no go forget it. He thought he go get down the city, no get it. They told me to bet it, it's like I go regret it. My last 30, like they think I'm on after election, no campaign. He no go do one again. Like I'm a fee, sick and shit. Make you no can complain. After election, no campaign. He no go do one again. Like I'm a fee, sick and shit. Make you no can complain. Hello, it's me on your cello reporting for Twitter. Where y'all they sell when people they lead them and they see they follow a crowd. Don't try, but she came with the zero. She pull up with guns. Election, we rumble. Why do they dance like
No, this is you heard what? What did you hear? Calm down, Della. What did you hear? Tell us, we need to.
I heard a kid call wants her money back. Is it true?
Oh, really?
She wants what?
I saw an article like
yes,
that.
Man.
With it?
Maybe yes, man. Okay, so that is Romeo Swag coming with that freestyle. He's one of the creative freestylers on Twitter. And Charlie, I know they are also on tweeting me more. Your man went to the studio and created a song about Charlie. You people they stress your man.
Charlie,
it not be fine. And there's another video. Your man was saying, he said, "Oh, man, lead your Kosroba from Crown Winnie." A few moments later, I am you. You understand? Charlie, them really. And yesterday, there was this incident. The man where you go take ballot box and since we,
Yes.
I don't understand. When you be there, you have ballot. What they call in crap eye.
But I think he wasn't shot. The Ghana police came out later in the evening to say that.
So he wasn't shot. No. It was misinformation.
So apparently, it's even the guys in the area that
shot him.
No, they chased him.
But they said someone
and it was a mob attack. Well, the Ghana police said they just took him to the hospital because I think they really attacked the guy.
But Ghana police them also, some guy be go to the police station the way he make drunk. Yeah. They say they give him food, where they put him down, say make you ready, they no go arrest him. But at the time when they need to bet it in the election, they count everything. Oh yeah, the interview was funny. Hey, I have another video of Mr. John Zumelo. Pushy track.
Give it to him.
So that is Mr. Dumelo pushing. I said, them go cut some weed and thing. Or you say, nah, allow me. I am a walking Zoom lion. Me pushy. And your mind they push him and thing. Ja, and yet small job your man do for them.
Oh, he really worked. Like looking at, and I think he's been doing it before he came into the space. Really. Yeah. So he coming into the space actually highlighted some of the things that he's been doing already.
Wait, he had been doing it?
Yes, I know he has this scholarship thingy. He's been paying fees for people before he started. Like he came into the the political limelight. He's been doing all that.
But do you think he can maintain the momentum, like the same energy?
Oh yes, he will.
Going to the horse,
that's campaign for you. Campaign time is rush hour. No, but you can't compare rush hour to normal this thing.
Do you think he can maintain that?
Oh yes, I think he can. I think John Melo himself is very charismatic.
Okay.
You know, and he's not easily worried. It's one thing I've noticed about him.
Yes.
Even when issues happen, you remember his interview recently?
Yeah.
Micro.
Yes, and he even came to make banter out of it.
Yeah, like and that whole buzz, but he didn't really care. You know, he kept on the energy, the fire. I don't think this thing will let him die.
You remember
down.
the dead goat syndrome thing?
Yeah.
Yes, like right now, we know that's for him. Like we know that.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so yes, we have a video of Malidia. And no be smart, say, Papa, be a mat, no, him ni hanky. Yes, corona about him hanky, ne say, yeah, be him, oh, me and Koshe video, and we will go watch it. Yeah, so that was that's my Lydia. Oh, him hanky, no. Okay, almost a marks in yes, but then she is happy that she. Well, I mean, well, when you think about it, personally, you see, the fact that the margin between the vote that she got and John Melo is very slim. I feel like right now pressure would be.
She should be worried. Yes.
Yes. Because Charlie. Only the two of them are the first timers, right?
Yeah, they're first timers.
I mean, she came in because of the death of the husband, and John Melo is a first timer. But looking at the votes, the margin and all, she should be worried.
Yeah, she has to, because you see, NDC has never won an election here. The one that was actually won even was contested in court.
Yeah.
You know, and so it places a big role or responsibility on her because the guy has really closed the margin, really closed the margin.
Seriously.
You know, and so she really has to work. She really has to work. And we'll hold her accountable.
Okay.
We'll hold her accountable to it.
Okay, so right now let's talk about prophets. I'm going to prophesy about, you know, there's this video of a prophet. Make I mention him or make we go Hebrews. Your man said John Dumelo was going to win. And he didn't win. You know, they will come back and defend it and say God didn't review it in this form of spiritual alacrities and all those things. But why, like, I'm not the bab why anytime there's elections, prophecies have to be made.
Charlie, most of these people, their stomach direction, you know.
Hey, no, true. Touch they are anointed.
Me, I wasn't there when God was revealing to them.
We are all anointed.
Sheldon, you are anointed. And I can't say anything about it.
You are anointed. You are all anointed. No, if you get a prophecy about if God reveals something to me about someone, do I need to go and broadcast it? Why can't I go directly to the person and tell the person?
Sometimes they can't reach.
But they don't have access to
exactly. Sometimes they don't have access.
Who can't you reach?
Ghana. Sometimes, for example, if maybe some random person somewhere sits there and be like, DMs me and tells me that, oh, I want to tell.
Also, the DMs.
I want you to tell this guy something for me, or I want to tell this guy I saw something about him, and then I tell you like, oh, some guy be somewhere said he has seen this, and then you be like, okay, that's it, and you don't maybe reply the DMs. I mean, the person wasn't able to reach you, but if it's easy like that, if like let's say you have. Let's say me right now, if I want to reach you, it's easy for me, even in as much as like we are on this show and all that. If I want to reach Kwadwo, I can reach Kwadwo. But someone somewhere, you remember when Rollins died,
yeah,
there was this lady that came
from the Volta region. Yeah.
Yes, that she wanted to go inside and raise blah 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 blah. She didn't have access, but she came and they still didn't grant her access. So you can imagine certain things happen like that.
Okay, so let's see. Sammy Jemfi is trending on Twitter.
Hey.
Yes, Sammy J. Is it hey? So Sammy Jemfi, yes. So apparently they did a press conference and your man has been trending. Let's see what people are saying. Wood Nelson says Sammy Jemfi can even convince you that Samuel Jan scored that penalty. Yes, he's really compliant. He was that man. Then so yes, let's see. These are videos of Sammy Jemfi, and this one is today. If you support MPP ambassador, it will be enjoyment from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. I see doing Ketia and Sammy Jemfi can't stop us. Okay, so yes, then Barcelona and Juventus today have a match. So if you are,
okay,
let me play. Madam Electoral Commissioner, some of us. In fact, the majority of Ghanaians, I'm speaking on behalf of them, we like football. And today, Ronaldo and Messi, they come do the match. Please, the match is 8 p.m. 5 p.m. 6 near UABBR. And my mayor long terms declare what the results in declare what you have. Yeah. Let us go and watch the football because it is Messi and Ronaldo. Elections be important, but football is importanter. Please. Okay. Hey, I'm joking. Anyway, so yes, so yes, Steven, I say this is from Obiaba. There's a haircut, shape, shoes cleaned, new Willie boy, Soloku mood activated. Nana do banter, mama. This guy. Okay, so this guy has been he has been part of our meme culture for the past month, and I don't know who started it, but your man has been trending on Twitter. Guys, Kwaji and Kwadwo Basisia, yaba, yede any money be better so. Yam komra.
Angelina, you be cool in my temperature. If you call, say cheese, take a picture. Shake a pose, make a see, take a picture. In a leg book, boa. Where the party there today? Hey mama, hey I have a sip. Shake your body.
Some of us were born into parties without even knowing why. Automatic.
We shouldn't lose sight of the fact that some people are actually being influenced.
Yep. I don't give small money chance.
If I have the opportunity, I'll go in so that I also get the money because we are chopping money.
So they use the youth as a means to their ends.
So you are not voting?
I know they vote. That's the problem with the system.
Are you voting? Of course I'm voting.
What's up, JH? Welcome to MX Beats, your official entertainment and lifestyle home. And every single week, we're bringing you your favorite artists. Say cheese, take a picture. Shake a pose, make a see, take a picture.
What's the name?
Indeed, we also bring you exclusives in music videos, interviews. Honestly, we have got you covered right here on MX Beats. Who is this?
Okay.
Oh, I love this.
I think I know what this is. This is an OG. This guy is not even a footballer. Look what
what did I say? They like vintage. What did I say? Jay-Z, baby.
On this show, we help unearth new talent, write the right mix of music to boost your energy.
Big man, big things, yeah. Tin shoes, big things, yeah. You figure say we they come joke me as I they come, my mind was plenty.
My name is Jason Elaine.
My name is Miss Drew.
My name is DJ Vorosky, and I'm here to give you the best of music.
Okay, guys, so welcome back, and you can join the conversation on Twitter with the hashtag #TheVerdict2020. Follow us on Facebook, MXGA24, MXGH24 on Instagram and Twitter.
MX24GH.
Hey, MX24GH, right?
Yeah.
Okay, MXTA, Tobase. MX24GH. Follow us on Twitter, Instagram, follow the conversation, and join us with the hashtag #TheVerdict2020. Now, I have this video where them they count. Now, the woman jump from 19 to 100, make you bust everybody. Hey! I said 1, 2, no, 17, no, 19 to 100.
Yeah, just not come there.
Hey!
Wabre.
Guys, mommy and Kohe video. Make you go watch this video.
16, 17, 18, 19, 100.
1900. Hey, this is a second.
Bro, from 19 to 100, see the gap. Now then, wait, you know, some people there, so you know, be saying she said that they won't do one. Like a common answer, because you can't
stress.
Yeah.
Wabre, she's tired. I think she's just tired.
No, baby, hey, who free 19, who 100? I think. How you go to do this?
No.
I think it's a slip of tongue.
So, Obi future no matter slipping tongues. Wait, see, watch that. See.
16, 17, 18, 19, 100.
Bro, from 19 to 100.
I saw it, I was like, oh no.
You see the way they shouted, and
it's the commentary.
Somebody's.
But can you imagine if EC was not this efficient and this had gone late into the night?
Yeah.
From 19
and we say a constituency in 100 now votes never now 500
because 19 to 100 300 or 200 500. Hey.
Exponential equation.
Actually, I mean, as you said, it may be stress or something, but at the end of the day, you have to be vigilant and all. And also, one thing that it really make happy be how when a democracy they thrive in this era. You see videos of NDC MPP supporters, then they jam.
Vibing,
like there is this video of like MPP song, then they jam plus MPP song. Like we they move. More na more ble. More na Charlie. Ore patch on for video ni shame ni enhwe sisi. No small jamming. So see, you see the jamming? MPP squad.
It's a song for me.
But the song to the beat.
NDC had the most like interesting songs.
You sure?
It is.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. They have this.
The songs.
There's this one. Mahama Afa.
Mahama Afa.
Well, I mean, the songs they pop.
Like the danceable songs.
And I think generally NDC has nice songs.
You know. It was during that Lube's time that Muntoman, that's like the only interesting song that I have.
Number one.
No, I like the Muntoman. That song is nice.
The Daddy Lumba.
Yeah.
Nice.
But the dance, when it comes to danceable songs, the Jamati.
Look at democracy, beautiful.
And I also think that politics has now become part of our social life.
Like,
you know,
with the move.
With the move. Today, people are not really working, even though it's a bit unproductive. But all over, you see people sitting, you know, in their communities, watching the results, discussing things over some, you know, some drinks and food.
Vibe. So, like right now, it's not as it was when I was growing up. Because when I was growing up, election time, people bring out their radios, come and sit outside all night. You'll be waiting for results. You'll be shouting arguments, feel pie anytime, like fights, feel pie, then sins. But
there is this video too. Then they interview Neil and Vanderpool, where it be like some guy every day in back there. He make over happy, like happiness has embedded the intensity of his heart. Mummy share video. It don't be small. It don't. Your mind. You just you check like a greetings from abroad. Your TV so we show any. But like Charlie, it be. You see your man for there.
And so he didn't know or what?
He knew what was happening, and he wanted to be in a shot. So he
actually went down.
Yeah, Charlie on about 4 man shot. No. Who say if you're for you're bad now about TV so no. But Charlie, you see the excitement, man. And also, there was this news that the MP was arrested. I don't know what happened, but it'd be like something happened for the way them arrest them. And
I think that.
Okay, no?
Yeah.
No, this is audio.
Oh, okay. No, I'm talking about the arrest.
Someone said the plural of audio is audio.
That's like the most interesting constituency I know.
The name Ododo.
I don't even know what that means.
How? But then your man was arrested because of some few skirmishes and things. And when the NDC did their press conference, they were saying, he said there is this clause in the constitution that says that they shouldn't arrest sitting members of parliament. A whole lot of like Charlie, it'd be like he paid them, say them really take pass. But he won, right?
Yeah, he won. And he was released. He was released in the early hours of the day. So.
Charlie.
Yeah.
Anyway, but guys, so far we have about a few minutes to the whole announcement, a few hours to the announcement. What be your expectations and things?
Well, me, I'm just hoping that the 5 p.m. will actually be 5 p.m. Because now it's like the EC has promised that at 5 they are going to do this. So they shouldn't elongate the time. We shouldn't get into 6 and 7. When that happens, tension will begin to brew.
Yeah, and then there will be speculation.
Exactly. Yeah. Because now parties have held press conferences. Yeah. Everybody thinks they are winning. Yeah. So really, what will be holding the results?
Exactly.
Okay,
when
so
it's 5.
When you come to Twitter right now, we have Electoral Commission trending, Anado trending, Mahama trending, Sami JV trending, a whole lot of things. I see Dunketia trending, Manchester trending, Messi trending, Juventus. And yes, Electoral Commission is trending because, yes, everyone is waiting for them to come and announce the final results. And yes, you see pictures and all those things. But basically, whatever the outcome, Charlie, we don't have to do giddy.
Oh, yeah.
Charlie, yes, warrior. Pensu new be no. Nakoda. This is not the time to get. If you want to challenge the results, go to court.
Ghanaians have grown past that, like after elections and the winner has been announced, and then there is some giddy basa basa. I think Ghanaians have grown past that. Like I don't see that again.
We hope so.
Okay. I don't think it will happen because look at looking at how things are going
very
now.
Peaceful.
Yes, I think the peace should be maintained.
So guys, this will be the end of our show, The Verdict. And Charlie, thanks for coming. What is your social media handle?
On Instagram, it's Della_Sade.
Sade.
On Twitter, it's Miss Della Organ. Yes. Okay. On Facebook, it's Della Sade.
Okay. So your handle?
So it's Nix_Solomon across all platforms.
Okay.
Yeah.
So also you can continue following the conversation on social media. MX24GH. MX24GH. I was saying because I said it don't be your name.
X no M. Yeah. How?
Wow. I thought you were a friend. So yes, follow them on all social media platforms: Instagram, Twitter, and you can follow me on Instagram at Kwadwo. Everywhere is Kwadwo Sheldon. My name is Lil Duku, aka Lil Dura. Quit tripping, y'all tripping. This has been The Verdict, and see you some other time. Charlie, whatever happens, we want peace. We move.